Hello guys, this is Vaish. So now the 2020 and 21 students, I believe there is no confusion in their dates or preparation and all because the dates are out. For 2021, the calendar was out and it has now I think 300 plus days, 10 months for your exam, prelims exam. And after prelims, there is around 80 to 90 days of gap for mains. So it's actually less the gap because usually it will be 110 or 120 days. So you have to do your mains preparation side by side with the prelims. And Vice batches, both 2021 batch 1 and batch 2 are on track, and your test series entire thing syllabus will complete in the first week of June itself next year. So you will have enough and more time, and your entire syllabus will be completed. And 2020 we had multiple batches, and it was a very long journey. 2020 we had test series right from last June 2019. We started giving out the current affairs and all those things, and now it's like towards end of this thing, end of the whole year. Okay, so the final revision packs, we have already given a lot of offers, and now for next 4 days we are giving again a special price which will have around 75% discount. You can get the subjects wise test series for prelims. And regarding the festivals, I think entire India is celebrating the Ganesh Chaturthi today, and in south state of Kerala, there I think Onam begins today because it's a 10-day kind of festival for them. So both like happy wishes to both of them who are celebrating whichever festival. And regarding the dates, these are the calendar. So UPSC 2020 prelims date is October 4, 2020. That is now 42 days. And then after that, mains will happen in January 8, 2021, which will be an exam of 5 days. Okay, that date is also there, I believe, in the UPSC website, the dates, 5 dates. And then about our test series, it will be like mains is closed. New batch maybe after the prelims. For those who want a mini package, we will be doing a mini mains test series. Okay, for your only those who clear prelims, you can do the mains. And then prelims revision pack, I'll explain you now, open. And 2021 June 27 2021 is your prelims. That's what I told. Our batches will complete before June 6th. Okay, all the test, everything. Okay, you will be done at least 3 times of revision by that time. And then mains September 17 2021. Okay, so there also there is a that's a gap which I told. Okay, how much 3 months gap is there, which is less. Okay, and mains is again closed. New batch maybe will open, but as of now it is closed. 2 batches are running parallelly now, and October they will start writing the mains answers. um, Prelims 1 year test series open. 365 days was there, then we changed it to 325 days. And maybe after a few days new batch will come, but there's no guarantee of that because already the number of students are very huge this year, so we may not need a new batch. Okay, we'll see to it, but it's better you enroll to the existing batch. So last 40 days, August 23 to October 3 is what you have to do the revision, 2020 students. So less priority, high priority I've already shown. So quickly I will just walk through this. A separate video is there explaining this in detail. So all mains related studies, hopefully you have stopped it. If even if you're part of any test series of an institute, please stop writing mains answers. It's okay if you skip all those exams. Just get the PDF from them and learn it later. So prelims topics is what you have to study, and current affairs, older current affair, even though it's important, you can skip these months which are very old, and more focus to be done for the last 15 to 24 months of preparation. Okay, 15 to 24 months. So whatever current affair happened, it's very important for you. A lot of questions will come. International relations, don't go detailedly of like how to write an answer for that and all these things. India, China, India, USA, and all. Only the factual things. If any deal has been signed or any nuclear summit is there or any defense deals or anything like that of exchange of which is a factual nature, okay, that things is important for you. Okay, and the international bodies also like G20 and all those summits in this year especially has been virtual, digital. It's not like people go together to a place, so it's all virtual. So there is no specific host country or nothing as such. Okay, even if it's there, it's just a virtual thing. Okay, so international bodies, summit groups, that kind of things you have to study, virtual meetings, and especially if India has hosted something. Then science theory and NCRTs is not required because I'm just telling to prioritize. Okay, it's not much required because questions will come from the current affair fact only. If there is an invention, if there is a discovery, if there is a what to say, a medicine, a vaccine, something like that, or technology like mobile technology or 3G, 4G, 5G. These are the kinds of technological things which is asked in the prelims. Corona updates, each and every facts. Don't waste your time because every current affair, every news item is now filled with these things only. Only the summary you should know, like what is the world level now, okay, or which all the countries are developing vaccine parallelly, or something like that. Very factual things, okay, or any older pandemic like Spanish flu or Ebola or something which is already there and how it was eradicated, how or whether India has such cases even now. That kind of factual information you have to know. The status of entire virus in the entire country. okay, throughout the decades. Then economics survey, you can skip it. It's okay if you don't do. Economics current affairs is more important, because even when you see my previous year paper discussion, you would have noticed questions are either from this payment apps like Beam or Google Pay, or these kind of things is what UPSC is asking, or banking, any new development happened. Okay, so they are not asking the demand and supply or economics textbook things. They are asking everything which comes in news. Only the news items from economics is asked. A polity, again NCRT, if you do, maybe one question will come. For that you don't have to waste your time doing NCRTs. Every question will be solvable from Lakshmikant or from a good test series. Okay, if 18-20 questions comes, all the 18-20 questions can be solved if you know current affairs and Lakshmikant from polity section. History, ancient, medieval, art and culture, together it will come around 8 to 10 questions only. So if you waste a lot of time on it, it's not very like cost effective. But modern history alone will come around 10 or 12 questions. Okay, so the weightage is equal for these two, what you see in left and right. So the amount of time you spend more on history, modern history, would do you better results in the exam hall. Okay, because more questions you will see, almost everything they ask. Okay, from every timeline, from Gandhian phase or near to independence or anything, they ask almost social reformers, everything they ask. And ancient, medieval, art and culture, I am not telling it is not important, but I am telling the weightage wise it is equal to modern history. Okay, so you should spend the time like that, not like you spend a lot of time for ancient and then little time for modern history. That is not the right method. Okay, because the question weightage is different. Then economics, again economics and geography, core things will not come. It's not coming. Okay, it's not coming since last many years, like volcano, tsunami, or mountain, plateau, river. Nothing is coming. River, maybe one question will come, but that too will be current affair oriented and common sense oriented. If you know the maps, you can do it. And then the current affair kind of thing, like agriculture schemes or food distribution, MSP, or solar pump, anything related to the nature and agriculture, environment, climate change. These are things which comes from geography and environment. Okay, both. Like environment also, core theory is not coming, like what is ecology, what is biosphere, or anything of that sort. Either they'll ask a wildlife sanctuary or an animal which is in news, or they'll put a statement wise comparison of different type of protection given to different animals, or Ramsar convention. Okay, conventions are important, like Kyoto protocol, or anything which is a summit or a intergovernmental thing, and they are trying to reduce something like ozone hole or greenhouse gases, anything like that. That is important for you, because questions comes a lot from international bodies, okay, which you might not even have heard. In the exam hall you will see for the first time, but for that, with elimination technique, you can score that. Okay, that is why I ask you to see my previous year paper series, where I teach you how to solve questions which you even don't know, which you have never heard, but still you can solve it. And previous year papers, even though you have to do from 1995, at least give importance to 2013 to 19. I am trying to make a video series, and hopefully before your prelims I will complete at least this one. 2013 to 19 I will be completing before your prelims date, because I am doing everyday video now. But students are not watching it. Only 200-300 people are watching it, and I guarantee you that those people will definitely have a higher marks than the others who are not watching it. Okay, that is my guarantee, because I know the questions how it comes. It will come from the previous year papers directly or indirectly, and if you are regularly studying that with so much dedication, you have a higher chance of clearing the cutoff. And test series, you can go, because now 40 days are left. If you like, if you keep another test series on your table and then you are reading something, your focus will keep shifting, like the other one which you have not touched is like pending, and you will get tensed. So now what you have to do is, at least today and tomorrow, take 2 days and decide, like, okay, I will not touch those, or I will not test this, or you will do a mix of this thing, like history of that person is good and geography of this person is good. Person in the sense, this test series is good, so I will do history from here and geography from here. Then keep all the other things aside, keep it inside a cupboard, or just keep it away. Okay, don't even think, like, because you will not have a time. Don't keep all these papers in front of you, because that tension will make you forget the things which are actually reading in front of you. So decide, I will do only this many number of tests, only this many number of days are there, so I will plan it. Okay, so please fix that today itself. And maps, question will come, one question or two question, that is 2 to 4 marks will come, one related to India and one related to the international one. That also in my all previous year papers I am explaining you. Whenever a question comes, I am telling you this is what is repeated, or this is what you have to focus. So that is why my video series, if you dedicatedly watch for the next 40 days itself, your cutoff is going to be high. Okay, your mark is going to be high. You are going to reach near cutoff, that is my guarantee. Okay, so depending upon how much hard work you have done in the full year, it will be guaranteed that you will surely clear the cutoff. So this is about the 2020 students, and these are the feedbacks from our students who have done tests from us. Okay, geography test and NCRT test which is going on. This is the first few tests which you will get when you enroll to a package 2020 or 21. The first 5-6 tests which you get is all NCRT, because I don't force other things onto you unless you have a foundation. Okay, and foundation is the best you will get in the country. Okay, our NCERT tests are the best that you can compare with anyone. So that is why we tell, even there is NCERT package for 2020, you can get that and see. Okay, so people who have even geography optionals and all, they believe that they can solve any question which they get, but once they do my test, they will understand that they have missed a lot of things which was actually there in the NCERT. Still you missed it. So that is the level of standard test series. Okay, you have to have a standard test series so that you will gain a lot out of it. And these are the packages of 2020. After this, I'll be explaining 2021. So 2020, the first package which you see, this is the original price, and students have been studying this since the last year in a disciplined fashion. Now you guys have to revise it. Okay, if you have done all the studies and looking for the best material, this is the best thing you will get in the country. Okay, these tests, if you do, there's a high chance that you get more marks, but you should study it very well, not like you buy it and then keep along with your other 10 institute test series. Okay, if you are willing to study properly, then only you have to buy this. And it's all lengthy soft copy PDF. It's not like you have to go to a portal or compare with someone else or nothing. You have to sit and study the PDFs which is given to you, online PDFs. Okay, so you have to read it through your mobile phone or your laptop. And then there is a subject-wise test series, which is again all included in the pack one already. Okay, these are again given to you because some students feel like I am weak in history, I am weak in geography. So that way you can get that package alone, and everything we have reduced to such a way that per test it will not cost more than 99. Okay, 99 rupees. It's like a very cheap price which we give. Usually our one test is 199. Okay, so 199 we have just slashed it to 50%, and every test we have the total price also we have kept it in such a way that it will be 99 rupees per test. Okay, except for the NCERT, I think, because it's a little more very like lengthy test. Other test, everything, it will be 99 or less than 99. Okay, that is how the price, new pricing for the next 4 days has been set. So these are all things which is needed for your exam. Okay, current affairs also, there are many students who tell me like, do we need to do older one? If you do my previous year paper videos, you will understand clearly that a lot of questions come from older current affair. So it's your last chance now. Don't waste it. You have 40 days. Study well. So these are the things which is given for 2020 students. Now about 2021 students. Before that, I think this is the how it will be. Okay, any number of enrollment till prelim stage. That's how the prelims works. Soft copy PDF, detailed PDF delivery by email. It's all English language with facts, figures, news links, textbook references, all the subjects. And this will be targeting to get the hit ratio. Okay, which because we have to maintain our result also. We have always been able to give 100 plus marks in the prelims. So this year also we have designed it in such a way that it will be hitting that target, both 2020 and 21. And the mains, it's like evaluation and feedback is there, not like the prelims where you have to study by yourself. Mains you will be writing, I will be evaluating, giving back to you. But both the batches are closed as of now. I'm just telling you so that in case a third batch comes up, you can get back to enroll. Okay. And 2021, 300 plus days are there. So you have to keep in mind certain things. Okay. Like they never give up attitude. This exam is not for those students who will start now with full enthusiasm and after 10 days feel like, sir, I am not ready, I am not able to concentrate, I am not able to do this. If that is the way, then you better do something else. Okay, this exam is not for those people who cannot dedicate themselves for a year. You have to dedicate, and it should be very serious also. It's not like 2 days you study, then 3 days relaxation, then 2 days again study. That way it won't work. You have to sit and study, and now because of this epidemic situation and all, you are anyway inside the house. So you have to focus on this thing other than spending time on social media or Netflix or whatever you do. Okay, and this should be your only goal. It's not like now I'll apply this, then after some time some bank exam will come, I'll do bank exam, then I will do something else. If that is the intention, then you will never clear UPSC. Okay, so you have to believe in your goal. You have to believe the UPSC board, because people abuse the UPSC, like you're changing dates like that, you are not sensitive, you are not thinking of the students. UPSC does everything very sincerely. Okay, their exams, everything, how much ever tough it goes, they care about the students much more than any other board. Okay, government can merge all the other exams to new methods, the new recruitment agency and all those things which they are bringing up now. But UPSC always has been have had the reputation of no paper leak or no nothing. Okay, everything has been clean. And the question standard are like the things which you like feel more respect towards UPSC. Every time they frame the questions in such a way that you love the board even more. So you should have that. And your mentor, if you have a mentor, you should follow that mentor strictly for a year, because they are doing things for your good. They have nothing to gain. It's you who have to write the exam, and they are doing whatever they can through the test or videos or whatever. So believe in your mentor also. Only then you can proceed. For next 300 days, you should have daily newspaper reading or the PIB reading. But a good test series will anyway cover this both for you. And then daily Rajya Sabha TV. In Rajya Sabha TV, there is a playlist called Big Picture. Whenever an episode comes, you have to watch it. And making notes is up to you if you want. If you understand the concept, no need to make notes. Notes is just a thing for you to recall later if you don't remember. But if even in the first listening, if you understand, then why do you need notes? Or if you are a person who will again watch the video one more time, then you don't need notes. So don't ask silly questions like, sir, should I make notes? Notes is just a person to person choice. Okay. Then daily previous year papers. That is why I have started the video series also now. If you are very lazy to do it yourself, sit and watch my video series, because that will give you more information than you doing it yourself. Because with experience, I am telling all these things. Okay. Regular map learning. So it need not be daily. It need not be from a big Oxford Atlas, but at least you should have a interest when something happens. Okay, when something happens, you should go and search in the map where it is. Or if you're a travel lover, anyway, you will like it. Okay, you will like where is this country? Where is that country? How can you travel to there? All these things you will like if you travel. Okay, but else other than that, if you are not such an outgoing person, you have to do it yourself. You have to have a interest, like, okay, these many states are there, this state is broken up into two other states in this year, or this has been merged, or two union territories are split or merged, or now Jammu and Kashmir, what is happening, it touches with all other countries. These kind of things you should know. It is out of interest, the interest you should develop. Okay, and a disciplined scheduled studies should happen. And we have done 365 days, and now 325 days timetable is there. It will be given to everyone who enrolled to our test series, because that is designed to do our test. So we cannot give to other students who was not solving our test. And then, but you can obviously look into our video and make your own model. And then quality test series for both prelims and mains has to be done, because as I told, the gap between prelims and mains is very less this time for 2021. So you have to do your mains preparation and optional preparation right from now. Even if it doesn't complete, it's okay. You should have an idea, so that after prelims, once you clear, you can easily brush up everything and then do a quick revision and write more answers. And optional studies, like I told, before February 2021, at least 150 hours. That is, in the next 300 days, at least 75 days. If you do 2 hours at least, it will be 150 hours. It's very simple. Okay, it's not a big complicated thing. 75 days out of the 300 days. Or do 150 days, 1 hour. Still it's okay. Okay, you have 300 days. In 150 days, do 1 hour. You will do lot of reading of optional. Okay. And then complete main syllabus by February 2021. And this is all one reading. Okay, it's okay, like you cannot write brilliant answers. In our test series, anyway, students will learn. Others who are not joining test series, you can do it yourself or do it somewhere else. But see to it that you have done the reading of the textbooks or syllabus. Okay, so that you are familiar. And after March 2021, you will do only prelims, only the prelims preparation. So the batches, as I told, we opened second batch also, and the number crossed too much. That is why we had to stop the mains enrollment. So this is the prelims thing, which is still open. And these many tests you will be doing, which is the biggest in the country. No other institute is giving this much big test series for this price and this detailing. Okay, this timetable level, like which day to study which test. And I will not make you do even one test without making you study the things. So our timetable is set in such a way that the studies will happen first, then only you will do each test. Okay, that is how detailed it is. I think I have shown it multiple times, but here again, like for example, now the second batch started in August 1. So first we gave you the current affair and I made you study all these things. And then after that, now this week is going on, like this is the date going on, August 21 today. So this is going on. So here if you see, these two tests are given to the students, but I did not give them unless they had done the reading already in the previous day. Unless you do this, you will not be given this test. Similarly, after that, now the history and this thing reading is going on 11th and 12th. And then tomorrow you will be given these two tests. And 4 days will be given for you to sit and study this. Okay, and in case you cannot catch up, this is an editable Excel sheet. Okay, you can freely change it. Whatever dates you can change, the day you can change, the timing you can change, anything. And here parallelly main study is also there, which you have to do by yourself. Okay, like Rajya Sabha TV, Big Picture, Google, any source is fine. But you have to just be familiarizing with this, because by like August, September, October it will go, and by October your mains writing will start. And here also will be given model answer also, and your paper will be evaluated also. But now new enrollment is not there. The existing people can take the benefit of all this green color thing. Other students will be given all this thing. So students who join now, okay, like for prelims only, which is everything available, you will be still given this timetable, okay, with the same form. So you can do it. You can do the studies yourself. Only thing is you cannot write the test with us. Okay, you cannot write these green color test. If in case new batch opens, we will upgrade your package to the mains thing. Okay. So this is like, it will go like this and it will go till June. Okay, June 6th, your 75th test will be over. And then after that, you will be having still 20 days, after which your prelims will happen. So we planned much ahead than the UPSC date was even published, because we expected the date to be like that around July. Okay, so this is completely well planned much before, and 2 batches are running parallelly. So this is the prelims thing, every subject is there. And this is the mains thing, which you can pause and see. Unfortunately, we cannot take more students as of now. Okay. And the price for this thing, which we had reduced it 3 times already, and this we are again reducing it, so it will be like this. Okay, 74 99. So these two batches which you see, this is closed, okay, but this is there only prelims till August 25. This is a special price which we have kept, okay. Every student is getting for a higher price. You will get it for this price in the next 4 days. You will be given all the 75 tests as per the schedule and that 1 year Excel sheet timetable also, okay. For even though you are not part of mains, you will get that timetable, okay, and you can study it yourself. So this is how the 2021 pack is. So I'll be making one more video now after this, and that video will be going through the solutions which are there of the questions which are posted in the community tab. Now this is a special thing. Those who have watched this video till the end, only you people will get it. The 3 months of current affair we are giving for free, okay. So 2020 students, this too is already part of your package, February and April, and 2021 student, this is part of your package. So in case you are an outsider, you are not a YCI student, you can anyway get 3 tests for free, and others you will get 3, but you can maybe 1 test extra or 2 tests extra you will get depending on which batch you are, okay. You simply have to email me 3 free tests, okay, to ishupsc@gmail.com. Send this 3 free tests in a subject or in a body, wherever, but send an email, and immediately you will get these 3 months of current affair totally free of cost, okay. And if you are new to this channel, please WhatsApp me, because only then we can guide you, like which level you are, what's like beginners videos or maybe test series videos or anything else, okay, that we can discuss over the WhatsApp. So please come and WhatsApp. I'll make the next video soon. Till then, enjoy your learning. Thank you and have a nice day.